Hi, I'm Jeff Dickey, broker and owner of the Dickey Group Realtors. And if you're watching this video, we're hoping that you're planning to make a home purchase. And if you do make a home purchase, we hope that you choose us to represent you. The purpose of this video is we have phone calls in this office, 100 phone calls or more a year. I take people wanting to know, how do I get started? How do I get started with my financing and making a home purchase? And so step number one is to get yourself pre-approved for financing. That is step number one. That is paramount. It puts you in a position to where you can negotiate from a position of strength if you have your financing in place. And so I want to talk to you a little bit about when you go to meet with a lender, what are they expecting? And number one is the documents that they want you to bring to that meeting. And you're going to need to bring documents like your bank statements. Possibly 2 months worth of bank statements is what most lenders would like to see you bring to the appointment. Pay stubs, proof that you're on someone's payroll, and what your income is. And so you need to take at least a couple, 3 weeks worth of pay stubs with you, and your last 2 years' most recent tax returns are vitally important to take to the appointment. Also, if you've been through bankruptcy, foreclosure, if you've been through a short sale, those documents are necessary for your lender also. Divorce, dissolution paperwork should be taken to the appointment when you meet with your lender. If there's a co-signer involved, if you're making a home purchase, you're planning to make a home purchase, and you're going to have a family member or friend co-sign, all of their financials will need to be presented to the lender also if you're anticipating them signing documents and helping you make the purchase. Also, your debts. The lender wants to know what kind of debt you have: credit card debt, car payments, truck payments, student loans, medical bills. These kinds of debts you need to get organized and prepared and take those documents to the meeting with your lender. Lots of your lenders have actually online applications, loan applications that you can actually go online, or the lender will actually email you the loan application to help you get started. Some want to meet you in person and fill the loan application out together. So you need to just talk to your lender about how their method of business is. And so also, the more organized you are when you meet with the lender, the quicker, the faster that you can get your pre-approval letter. And that's your ultimate goal, is to have a letter, a pre-approval letter from your lender stating that you are ready to make a home purchase here. Things you want to learn from your lender. When you meet with your lender, you want to know, what is your down payment requirements going to be? What kind of interest rate you're going to be charged? What kind of closing costs are going to be involved with your loan? And then you can actually shop, and we encourage you to shop around with different lenders. But if you know those 3 pieces of information, you can kind of compare apples with apples when you're comparing lenders and loan programs. And so we highly recommend shopping around and visiting with multiple lenders and seeing who is offering the best deal. When you talk with your lender, if you know the type of property you're wanting to purchase, make sure you tell the lender. If you're wanting to buy whether it's a stick-built house, whether it's a farm, whether it's vacant land, whether it's a campsite or a manufactured home of some kind at Rocky Fork Lake, you need to tell the lender the type of property, because not all banks and not all lenders do all types of loans and cover all types of properties. And the lending requirements, down payment requirements, closing costs, interest rates can vary depending on the type of property you're planning to purchase. And so you need to make sure you're telling the lender up front, or as early as possible, the type of property you plan to purchase. And so we hope this information helps. If you want to view our properties, please visit the DickeyGroup.com website, where we have virtual tours of our homes for sale. We can represent you on any property you see for sale in the greater Highland County area and surrounding areas is our area of expertise. And so we would love to represent you and help you any way we can. And we hope you've enjoyed this video.